Ahrefs SEO tools and resources to grow your search traffic.
But before we start, please support us by pressing like and subscribe buttons. Also turn on the bell notification to get the latest updates. Your support means a lot to us. Thank you.
Everything you need to rank higher and get more traffic. Ahrefs is an online toolset widely used by digital marketers, SEO, search engine optimization professionals, and website owners to analyze and optimize their websites for search engines. The platform provides a variety of tools and features that help users with tasks such as keyword research, competitor analysis, backlink analysis, content exploration, rank tracking, and site audits. Here are some key features of Ahrefs. 1. Site Explorer allows users to analyze the backlink profile and SEO metrics of any website or URL. 2. Keywords Explorer helps in finding new keywords, analyzing their search volumes, and evaluating their difficulty level for ranking. 3. Content Explorer allows users to search for the most popular and shared content in a particular niche or on a specific topic. 4. Rank Tracker monitors the search engine rankings of specified keywords over time and provides insights into ranking changes. 5. Site Audit identifies and helps fix on-page SEO issues that may affect a website's performance in search engines. 6. Competitor Analysis provides tools to analyze the SEO strategies and backlink profiles of competitors. 7. Alerts. Users can set up alerts to receive notifications about changes in their website's backlink profile, keyword rankings, and more. Using Ahrefs can provide several benefits for website owners, digital marketers, and SEO professionals. Here are some key advantages. 1. Keyword Research. Ahrefs Keyword Explorer tool helps you discover new keywords related to your niche, providing valuable insights into search volumes, keyword difficulty, and potential traffic. 2. Competitor Analysis. You can analyze the SEO strategies of your competitors, including their backlink profiles, top-performing content, and keywords they are ranking for. This information can help you refine your own strategies. 3. Backlink Analysis. Ahrefs allows you to explore the backlink profile of your website and competitors. You can identify new backlink opportunities, monitor the quality of your backlinks, and assess the overall authority of your site. 4. Content Research. The Content Explorer tool helps you find popular and trending content in your industry. This information can guide your content creation efforts and help you understand what resonates with your target audience. 5. Site Audits. Ahrefs Site Audit feature can identify and highlight on-page SEO issues on your website. By addressing these issues, you can improve your site's overall SEO health and performance. 6. Rank Tracking. You can monitor the rankings of your target keywords over time, allowing you to assess the effectiveness of your SEO efforts and make data-driven decisions to improve your website's visibility in search engine results. 7. Link Building Opportunities. Discover potential link building opportunities by analyzing the backlink profiles of other websites in your industry. Building high-quality backlinks can positively impact your website's authority and search engine rankings. 8. Content Gap Analysis. Identify gaps in your content compared to competitors. This insight helps you create content that fills those gaps and enhances your website's relevance in search results. 9. Alerts. Set up alerts to receive notifications about changes in your website's backlink profile, keyword rankings, and other important metrics. This allows you to stay informed and respond promptly to any issues or opportunities. Using Ahrefs effectively can contribute to the overall success of your online presence by improving your website's visibility, attracting more organic traffic, and helping you stay competitive in your industry. Keep in mind that staying up to date with the latest features and best practices in SEO is crucial for maximizing the benefits of tools like Ahrefs. To start using Ahrefs, follow these steps. 1. Visit the Ahrefs website. Go to the official Ahrefs website at https://ahrefs.com/https://ahrefs.com. 2. Sign up for an account. Click on the Start 7-Day Trial for $7 or a similar offer to sign up for an account. Ahrefs often provides a trial period for a nominal fee, allowing you to explore the features and benefits. 3. Choose a plan. Ahrefs offers different plans based on your needs, including light, standard, advanced, and agency plans. Choose the plan that best fits your requirements. 4. Provide payment information. If you're signing up for a trial, you'll need to provide payment information. If you decide to continue with the subscription after the trial, you'll be billed according to the selected plan. 5. Log into your account. Once you've signed up, log into your Ahrefs account using the credentials you provided during the registration process. 6. Explore the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the Ahrefs dashboard. You'll find various tools and features categorized for tasks such as Site Explorer, Keywords Explorer, Content Explorer, Rank Tracker, and more. 7. Start with a project. To make the most of Ahrefs, create a project for each website you want to analyze. This allows you to organize and track data specific to each site. 8. Enter your website or a competitor's website. In the Site Explorer tool, enter your own website or a competitor's website to get an overview of its backlink profile, organic search traffic, and other important metrics. 9. Explore keywords. Use Keywords Explorer to find relevant keywords for your content. Enter a seed keyword or a competitor's URL to discover keyword ideas, search volumes, and keyword difficulty. 10. Perform competitor analysis. Analyze your competitors by entering their URLs in the Site Explorer. Understand their backlink strategy, top-performing content, and keywords they rank for. 11. Set up rank tracking. If you want to monitor your website's performance for specific keywords, set up rank tracking. This helps you track changes in your rankings over time. 12. Utilize other tools. Explore the other tools Ahrefs offers, such as Content Explorer for content research, Site Audit for on-page SEO analysis, and alerts to stay informed about changes in your website's performance. Remember to check the Ahrefs documentation and tutorials for more detailed guidance on using specific features. The platform is powerful, and understanding its capabilities can greatly benefit your SEO and digital marketing efforts. Ahrefs has become a popular choice among SEO professionals and digital marketers due to its comprehensive set of features and the depth of data it provides. While there are several SEO tools and platforms available, Ahrefs stands out in several aspects. 1. Extensive backlink database. Ahrefs is renowned for its vast and up-to-date backlink database. The tool offers detailed insights into a website's backlink profile, including the number of backlinks, referring domains, and anchor text distribution. This extensive data allows users to analyze and improve their link-building strategies effectively. 2. Competitive analysis. Ahrefs excels in competitor analysis, providing users with valuable information about their competitors' SEO strategies. Users can explore competitor backlink profiles, top-performing content, and keyword rankings. This helps businesses identify opportunities and refine their own strategies to stay competitive. 3. Keyword Research and Explorer. Ahrefs Keywords Explorer is a powerful tool for keyword research. It provides users with detailed data on search volumes, keyword difficulty, and click-through rates. The platform also suggests related and relevant keywords, helping users identify valuable opportunities for content creation and optimization. 4. Content Explorer. Content Explorer allows users to discover popular and trending content in their niche. This feature helps content creators identify topics that resonate with their target audience, leading to more effective content strategies. 5. Site Audit. Ahrefs Site Audit feature helps users identify and fix on-page SEO issues. This can improve a website's overall health and performance in search engine rankings. 6. Rank Tracking. Ahrefs provides robust rank tracking capabilities, allowing users to monitor their keyword rankings over time. This feature is essential for understanding the impact of SEO efforts and making data-driven decisions.
Thanks for watching. Drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos like this.